Hey people, as part of this, since ever since this lockdown has begun, I've been making these short little videos to thank the different people I've met in my life, yeah, who really made a difference. And so today I want to say a big thank you to, uh, you know, one of the most prominent people in prominent lady administrators that I've ever met in my life is Mrs. Karuna Gopal, and I had met her for the very first time when I was just 20, and I had this book launch, at St. Francis Degree College. And it was just so nice, like as a 20-year-old to get your little tiny little book published or whatever was a really big thing for me. And Mrs. Karuna Gopal was so encouraging, as a person. I like to believe that I'm very encouraging, like but I've yet to meet a person who's, I was just some scrawny little random some 20-year-old, but for those few minutes when Mrs. Karuna Gopal was addressing the audience and all, I have never before felt as much a rock star and a superstar as when Mrs. Karuna Gopal was, she was praising the book and, the writer. I mean, it was just, you do it to boost someone's morale, because we've all been through journeys where, our self esteem hits a absolute rock bottom, because this particular novel, before it got published, self-published, but then it had got 496 rejection slips. Like basically I had contacted 2500 book agents and publishers from across the world, of which 496 people wrote back to say they were not interested. So, but once the book hit the market, it sold over 10,000 copies and it was a national bestseller. So my Delhi based publisher, he was uh, they made it normally books can be a very risky proposition. Sometimes it's difficult to sell like 3 copies, yeah, but this book sold 10,000 copies and with close to zero publicity. So I mean, generally whatever publicity from my own pocket I could spend, this thing, publishing houses don't really come forward to do any kind of promotion, publicize your book. So anyway, but thank you, ma'am. Karuna, ma'am. It's much like your name. It's There's so much of compassion, and I feel when people in positions of power, if they are compassionate, the world can be a different place. It's like so. It's That's what compassion is. What the world needs right now. So. Uh, Truly, ma'am, that encouragement you gave to me as when I was, just this 20-year-old, even now, literally, yeah, I won't say 20 years later, but yeah, pretty much, I still remember it. So that's the power of, you know, making someone feel so special. So thank you, ma'am. For a lifetime, I'll always remember that. She's such a kind gesture, to come forward and speak for some crazy little 20-year-old, and you just made my day. And my, in my mind now, I truly believe I have it in me to be a writer. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.